This Tamil man launched an airline to save partition refugees. He also donated the equivalent of rupees 2 crore in today's value for the country and inspired India's midday meal scheme, only to be completely forgotten by history. This was the life of Dr. R.M. Alagappa Chettiar, a patriot, industrialist, and philanthropist who dedicated everything to his motherland with zero expectations. Born to great wealth, Alagappa inspired to join the Indian Foreign Service. But while studying in the UK, he contracted leprosy. With his face disfigured in a land hostile to Indians, he was barred despite passing the exams. Yet he refused to give up. He studied law, trained in banking, earned a pilot's license, and returned to India to build a business empire. Textiles, plantation, mines, insurance, theatres, hotels, and even a private airline, Jupiter Airways. During partition, he offered his aircrafts to evacuate refugees from Pakistan, then ferried troops and supplies during the Kashmir invasion, even replacing a crashed plane at his own expense. He renounced his knighthood, donated nearly rupees 20 lakh to welfare and education in 1940s and 50s, and gave 300 acres plus rupees 15 lakh for the Central Electrochemical Research Institute, earning Nehru's praise as a socialistic capitalist. He formed the Alagappa College of Technology in Chennai, and his practice of handing out free food to all university students during lunch inspired K. Kamaraj's midday meal scheme, now a nationwide program. Awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1957, he died at just 48 and today remains largely forgotten. A true visionary whose courage, generosity, and love for India was unmatched. It's time he got the recognition he deserved.